Echo, ask my 3D print server what is printing.
The hot end temperature is 190.6 degrees. The bed temperature is 59.3 degrees. The currently printing file is pi3_stem_. The current print job is 4.0% complete. The estimated time remaining is 8 minutes, 9 seconds.
Hi, my name is Caroline, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get the status updates of your 3D printer on your Amazon Echo. Now, this is your reminder, please do mute your Alexa devices, as I may say the wake word frequently in this video. Now, the use case for this video is, hey, you've got your print job going on your 3D printer. It is on OctoPrint. If you're not familiar with OctoPrint, I will link to a tutorial video below. And you are walking around your house and you are wondering, hey, how much time is left on my 3D print, or how's it going, or what temperature is everything? And this is a great way to get status updates on your Amazon Alexa device. Isn't that great? Now, how do we set that up? The prerequisite for this video is that you need to have an OctoPrint server running on your 3D printer. Now, how do you go about doing that? I did that in a previous video where I have the OctoPrint server on a Raspberry Pi with a Raspberry camera, and I'm monitoring my 3D prints and starting prints that way. Now, this Amazon Alexa skill isn't advanced enough to say, hey, start my print job right now. It doesn't do that. All it does is it gives status updates of your current print job. I think that's pretty cool, and I wanted to feature that on my video today, and I will do a full setup start to finish on how you install that plugin and then integrate with your Alexa device. Let's get started. Now, let's start the tutorial portion of this video. This video assumes you have OctoPi up and running with your 3D printer, as this is a plugin for your OctoPi. Now, I'm on the home page for my OctoPi. I'm logged in as myself, and I'm going to go to the wrench icon, which is your settings, and then go down to your plugin manager, select plugin manager, then scroll all the way down to the bottom and click get more. And from there, we want to search for Octovox. And I'm going to hit install. And this will take a few seconds to install, and then it will prompt me to reboot my OctoPi server, which we will do to get this going. And now hit restart now. And yes, I want to proceed. And we're back. Our OctoPrint has restarted, and I'm going to go back to settings, and then I'm going to see that now I have an Octovox plugin under my list of plugins. Click on Octovox and then my printer name. Now, this will be blank for you as I've already done this project and it's remembered what I had last time, so I named my printer after myself. I requested a printer registration. I got a unique key, and then I verified my registration, and then I hit save. So the request a printer registration is really straightforward. You will have to create a login and password. It doesn't ask for any other personal information. Thank you very much, developer. I appreciate that. And then you'll hit save. And from there, you want to go into your Amazon Alexa app. Either you can access that from Amazon Alexa, the app on your phone, or you can just go to alexa.amazon.com on your desktop. Make sure you're logged in, and then we'll click on skills, and then we will search for Octovox. And I will click on Octovox, and I want to enable that skill, and I want to enable account linking as well. I'm going to click settings, and I'm going to click link account, and it should prompt me to enter the same login and password I just did for my Octovox account back on my OctoPrint page. It has been successfully linked now. Excellent. So this should be working. In order to get this working, let's turn on my 3D printer. Turned it on, then I hit connect. Should come right up, and then my webcam comes right up. Thank you. And now let's start a printout. Let's start a print, and let's go back to my Octovox. And there's some key phrases that you need to learn in order to get this information. And I'll say, Echo, ask my 3D print server what is printing.
Caroline is currently printing. The hot end temperature is 25.0 degrees. The bed temperature is 46.7 degrees. The currently printing file is pi3_stem_final_calibration_sample.g code. The current print job is 0.0% complete. The estimated time remaining is 8 minutes, 46 seconds.
And that's how it works. So when you are walking around your house and you want to know how your print job is going, how much time is left, you can now simply ask your Amazon Alexa. This is one of the newer plugins for Octoprint as of this recording. I thought it was really cool and decided to feature it on my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye now.